You machining intelligently? Small diameter slotting cutters with highly effective tangentially mounted inserts. In the world of advanced machining, precision tools are essential, especially for producing miniature industrial parts. To meet this demand, ISCAR introduces the TANG-DISC family of indexable cutters specifically engineered for slot milling applications. These tools offer exceptional performance through their innovative design. The TANG-DISC family includes two main configurations: ETS T490-05 Slot Mill with cylindrical shanks. These are available in diameters of 16, 20, 25, and 32 mm, making them perfect for precision slot milling in limited working spaces. SD-SPXX T490-05 Exchangeable Slot Milling Heads, available in diameters of 25, 32, 40, and 50 mm. These heads feature a spline SP connection that significantly reduces setup time through a simple head exchange using one screw. Central to the TANG-DISC tools is the tangentially mounted T490 LNHT-05 PNTN double-sided insert with 4 cutting edges, 2 right-hand and 2 left-hand. Its compact 5 mm inscribed circle is ideal for operations in space-constrained environments. A standout feature is the internal coolant system, which directs coolant to each cutting edge, improving cooling efficiency, chip removal, and surface quality. This system helps extend tool life by reducing cutting zone temperature. Benefits of the TANG-DISC family: economical solution. The double-sided insert with 4 cutting edges maximizes insert usage. Reliability and precision. High tooth density and precision mounting enhance reliability and productivity. User-friendly design. Robust clamping simplifies head replacement and maintenance. Versatility in limited spaces. Small dimensions make them well-suited for slot milling in limited spaces. With the TANG-DISC family, ISCAR advances machining technology, providing tools that meet the intricate demands of modern manufacturing while ensuring efficiency and precision.